Want to say something up front before we get into this. This actually isn't a video about AI. And the book I'm writing, it's not really about AI either. It's a book about business in the age of AI. And that distinction matters more than most people realize. And it shapes everything I'm about to walk you through. Here's what I keep seeing. Business owners are treating AI like it's the answer. They open ChatGPT, type something in, and expect it to figure things out. And then they get frustrated when it feels generic or off. Not because the AI isn't powerful, it is, but because the AI doesn't fix a business that isn't clear on what it's doing. It amplifies what's already there. If your thinking is clear, AI becomes incredibly useful. If it's not, AI makes that obvious immediately. And that's the shift most people are missing. And it's exactly what I've been working through as I write this book. This is based on how I already think about business, how you align what you're doing, automate what makes sense, and actually show up in a way that's visible. AI is a part of that, but it is not the center of it. It is a tool inside a much bigger system. The way I look at this is pretty simple. AI is responsible for speed, pattern recognition, and generating output. You are responsible for the ideas, the structure, and the direction. If your side is weak, the output will be weak every time. AI isn't here to think for you. It's here to execute faster once you've already done the thinking. So the first thing I did was build the structure of the book, not with AI, with my own thinking. I have a framework I already use, and that became the spine of this book. Then I brought that into AI and said, here's how I think about this. Help me organize it. What are the gaps? What's missing? That's very different from saying, write me a book. AI helped me build the architecture, but the thinking was mine. And this is what most people get wrong. They ask AI to write in sections, and then they try to edit those sections into something usable. That almost never works because there's no real voice, no depth, no perspective. What I do instead is I bring my thinking in first. I'll talk through a concept or write something messy. Then I bring that into AI and say, here's what I'm trying to say. What's unclear? What's missing? Help me tighten it. Now AI is just refining thinking, not replacing it. And the output actually sounds like me. Once the thinking is clear, this is where AI becomes really powerful. I can rewrite sections quickly, simplify ideas, test different angles, tighten language. What used to take hours now takes minutes, but only because I'm not starting from nothing. I'm starting from clarity. And that's the part most people skipped. I want to be really direct about this part. The problem is almost never AI. It's that people are skipping the thinking. They expect AI to understand their business, figure out their positioning, create something meaningful without context. AI can't do that. It can organize, expand, and clarify, but it needs something real to work with, and that has to come from you. So here's exactly what this looks like. I think through a concept or talk it out. I bring that into AI and tell it exactly what I need help with, not just write this, but please help me refine this. I pull what's useful, I cut what's not, I edit everything back into my voice, and I repeat that across the book. AI isn't writing this book, I am. AI is just removing the friction between the thinking and the page. Here's the takeaway. AI isn't broken. It's working exactly the way it's supposed to. It's working with what you give it. If your thinking is clear, AI makes it faster and more effective. If it's not, AI makes that obvious, and that doesn't fix anything. That applies to your content, your business, and everything you're building. If you're using AI in your business and it doesn't feel like it's working, it's not usually a tool problem. It's a structure or a clarity problem. And that's something I help clients fix every day.